Hello friends, we will do another simplification problem. Many makes mistakes this kind of simplification. First we will do 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Then 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. This is 1. Or we will do another way, or first 2 divided by 4, then 4 divided by 2 divided by 2, then half divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 4, then 4 divided by 1 by 4 is equal to 16. This both are wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. In PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division has same priority. In the expression, only the division operation, and we should follow this kind of situation, the left to right of the expression rules. So according to the rule, we can get the answer is equal to 1 by 4. It is the right answer.